Show us again? Oh! You're getting so fast at that. So that was the third time Oliver rolled over, huh? Huh? Can you show us again? Can we put you back over? Can you go back? No. Here, let's put you back over. Ready? Whoop. Here you go. Here you go. Can you show us again? Oh, can you go the other way? Okay, let's see it. Are you tired? Can you show us again, buddy? No, are you done? You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Show us one more time. Oh! So good. So good. Good.